When you open your Microsoft Word, you point at any of these ribbons here, you will see a message pops up, a small message. It will say make your text a bit bigger, and then this one will tell you center your content on the page, and then center alignment, give document a formal, and then etc. Something like that. So it will show you all these messages. Now, in the event that you don't want to see this thing, there's a way to stop it. So that is what I want to show you today, and also I will also show you how to stop showing this keyboard shortcut like Control plus Equaston, or Control plus U, or Control plus I, or Control plus B. So I'm going to show you how to off these things so that it is no more shown whenever you point at these icons here. So let's get started. We're going to look at the file tab, and we come to options here, then we come to ease access here, and then you have something like show features, feature descriptions in screen tips. Then we can say no, we don't want to show, so we say don't show feature description in screen tips, so we off it. You can also choose something like this, don't show screen tips at all, so there will be no screen tips shown in our work. So then we can just say okay, and then there we are. So let's see what will happen. You see, there's nothing. Okay, you see, so there's nothing coming in. All right. So in the event that you just install your Microsoft Office, and or let's say somebody borrow you a computer and then you don't see the screen tips, and normally when you are doing your work you need the screen tips. So if you want to bring them in, or if you want to show them, what you do is just the same step. You come to your options here on the file tab, then you come to ease access, then you will find something and that may amaze you. Then you click on show screen tips. Okay, then if you don't want to show this keyboard shortcut, you can just click this one. Then the screen tips will be shown, but the keyboard shortcut will not be shown, like this. All right, you will see the screen tip, but the keyboard shortcut will not be there. Okay, so let me bring it back so that I can show the keyboard shortcut again, because I need that one always. I sometimes I learn from it. So that is it, and it is pretty simple. Yes, I think I got it. So this is coming from my office online. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video, share with your friends. We are happy that you are watching our videos. Thank you. Goodbye.